Have you ever heard about Perplexity AI? If no, then I recommend you watch this video till the end because this AI is really cool and important. Hey guys, I'm happy to see all of you again today. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. I have already more than 100 subscribers. Thank you. I'm so happy. In this video, I'll share with you something really cool. This is AI, and I want you to know about this AI because it's really amazing. This video will be kind of tutorial that could help you understand how to use this AI and what it can do for you. And at the end of the video, you will get some special promotion. You will get some extra discount for Pro subscription. If you're ready, then let's get started. Start using Perplexity AI. Just open perplexity.ai website and you will be able to ask your first prompt. The basic version of this AI is free, so you even don't have to register to start using it. It's like search engine. It's work with real data. It's try to find information from different sources and give you summary from all of these sources. Wow. So it's kind of Google, but more powerful. Data is pulled from the internet at the moment you ask questions, so information is always up to date. Perplexity AI uses advanced technology to understand your question and give you answer quickly. You can use Perplexity AI in many different cases. You can create education plan, your upcoming trip plan. You can do a lot of different research, find solution on specific problem, summarize the video, and so on. Okay, let me show you some example, but before we start, let me show you the interface a little bit. As you can see in front of us, we can attach the file. This could be PDF or images. We can ask different questions based on your attachment. We can add specific focus. For example, if we do academic research, or we do writing, or we want description of the video, or even read it. We also have toggle here to turn on Pro mode. By default, you will get 5 searches for Pro mode to see how different it's from normal search. I will talk about this a little bit later. Okay, let's try to make academic research about health benefits of coffee. So I turn on Pro and let's do the search. After a few seconds, you will be able to see the result, and also you will be able to see the sources. In our summary, you will be able to navigate through different sources and check if it's correct or relevant. As you can see, this is linked to medical research. We also could ask follow-up questions. I write down show only up-to-date data, and let's see the result. And after a few seconds, you will get a new result. If you want to more specific data, you can say, instead of up-to-date, specify the exact year. We also could ask Perplexity to do research on YouTube. For example, this is about coffee machine, and as you can see, Perplexity suggests 6 videos. It provides some summary. We can go through all these links and check them all. It's really cool. Another cool feature is that you can share this result. You can click the link on the top right corner or click the share button. Sometimes it's really useful. Another great stuff is that Perplexity can work with your own data, but for this you need to have Pro account. Perplexity AI is free. However, there is some limitation. If you want to use Pro version, you have to buy Pro account, and it costs about $20. And by the end of the video, I can help you save $10. So keep watching. Okay, let's try one more example. This time I will ask Perplexity to create for me a list of upcoming tech conference in Bangkok, and let's see the result. And here we go. So as you can see, it searched 13 sources, and this is the conferences. And please remember, even this AI help you summarize information. You have to validate this information. The difference between quick search and pro search is that with pro search you will get fine-tuned result, whilst with quick search the result will be generic. Another tip, you don't have to use big prompt to ask question. Just use 2-3 keywords, the same you do with normal search. In Perplexity, you can group the things that you search. For example, you can create collection, and then inside this collection, you can do all of your searches. And then everything will be together. For example, I'll create collection all about coffee, give it a small description, and hit create button. To find your collection, click library at the left side, and then you will be able to see all your collection at the right side. All the searches that you will do here will be stay in this collection. So it's sometimes really useful. If you want to delete some thread, click on that thread under the library link. Then at the right hand corner, click that 3 buttons and select delete thread. Then confirm. That's it. If you will decide to sign up for Pro account, you will be able to set up specific settings. You will have the ability to select AI model and image generation model. You can select any AI model that's available in the list, and you can change them anytime. For example, I selected GPT-4o, but you can select Cloudy if you want. For image generation, you can select DALL-E, Playground, or Stable Diffuser. So it's really cool because you have ability to select anything you like. It means you empower your Perplexity AI with another AIs. And that's really cool. It means you will have additional functionality that's available only in Pro account. For example, you can upload your image or any data and ask Perplexity explain what inside. For example, I ask what inside the picture. And this is the answer. So really cool. To generate the image, you have to write any prompt. For example, if you want something about Bitcoin, you can write something about Bitcoin. For example, I write generate an image of Bitcoin, and then at the right sidebar, I click generate image. Then I select the style of the image and click on style that I want. And after a few seconds, your image will be ready. From the right sidebar, you also can search images related to the topic. You can search videos that related to this topic. So it's really cool and powerful. That's it. As you can see, this AI is really cool. It could help you with many different things, and I recommend you to use it. I'm starting using it by myself, and I have great offer. You can get $10 discount if you register by using my link. The link is on the description for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful and informative. I hope you like it. If you like it, please click like. If you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please subscribe. It's really important because you will know so many important information that could help you with many different things. If you don't like this video, it's okay, but please share with me your feedback because it's important. Otherwise, I cannot improve the video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.